silver thing in front of him.
Ready? Ooh. How far it can go?
Oh, fuck it out. That's not a good start.
Cobwebs. You're not having a good time with cobwebs of late, are you?
Can't stand the buggers.
Yeah?
Right, let's try again.
So clean this to clean outside.
I lost it already. Not easy, I tell you.
Blowing about a bit.
Yeah.
How about if it is going to the roof?
Oh, lost. Stabilised itself.
Oh, we are spying the neighbor.
Fantastic. I noticed that you're not looking at the virtual view to actually steer it.
Quite like that. I haven't got quite there on that yet.
Yeah.
Oh no. Go on.
Where is it? Oh, it's in there.